I'm going to teach you how to crochet these cute little flowers. So first you want to start off with a magic ring, and I did a demonstration here, and I'm going pretty slowly so that you can see everything that I'm doing. Now once you're done with your magic ring, you want to single crochet 12 inside of it. I sped this part up because otherwise it would be too long. Now once you finish your 12 single crochets, you want to pull the string of the magic ring tight so that everything comes together. Next, you'll want to slip stitch into your first single crochet. Once I'm done, I like to finish it off by chaining one and pulling the yarn through and snipping it off to leave a little tail. Now you have the middle of your flower. Next, I am pulling a different colored yarn through one of the stitches and just tying it in a knot. Once I'm done tying it, I will put my hook into the same stitch as the knot and yarn over. Next, I chained 3. Next, you want to yarn over once like you were doing a double crochet. You'll be left with 3 strings on your hook, and you just want to pull through 2 of them. Do the same thing once more into the same stitch. Pull through 2 again, and now you're left with 3 strings, all from the same stitch. Now we're going to move on to the next one, and you want to do this 3 times into the next stitch. Once you have that done, you'll have 6 strings on your hook, and now you just want to pull through every single one of them. Now chain 3. Now we are going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Now we're going to do the same thing again, which is chain 3 and do 2 double crochets into the same stitch as the chain 3. And remember to move on to the next one and do 3 double crochets into there. Keep going around until you get to the last stitch. On the last one, we will just slip stitch and finish it off. Now you have something that looks a little funky, and this is my favorite part because now we are going to make it look even more beautiful. First, pull the longer string of that colored yarn in the middle. This will tighten up the magic ring. Now I like to do this next part on the tip of my fingers. All you need to do is just flip over the petals. Now the flower looks so much better and it has that cute puffy look. Do any adjustments as needed, and now you're all done. Thank you for watching.